Hi, this is the original cable for UMIDIGI, the red cable. So I will try to charge my UMIDIGI mobile phone because it turned up. It doesn't turn up. So first of all, I will try the cable with the other phone. As you can see, the cable is okay. So while it's charging, you can see that it's charging with the LED. I will try to turn on my mobile phone. So I will press the button and nothing happens. I'm trying for about 10 seconds and nothing. So I will leave the button. And now I will try with the button of power and volume down. So I will press both and go. Also nothing happens. And I will try now to charge the mobile phone. So I will release the buttons. Listen. So the mobile phone here is still charging. So I will release the cable. Okay. Now I will try to plug in. Okay. And now the mobile don't turn on. I will wait some seconds and nothing happens. So I will try to turn on with volume with the power button and nothing. I will release the button and now I will try with both buttons, power and volume down, and nothing. The mobile phone was working good, but uh, one day, well, 2 days ago, when I was charging my mobile phone, it was in 78% and suddenly turned off. And since that day until now, it don't turn on. So I will try to uh, power up again with volume up and power button. So as you can see, the mobile phone don't work. So I will try one more time and don't turn on. So I will release. So it's the problem. I can't find a solution because I'm trying to turn on maybe 40 or 50 times and nothing happens.